Checked.
Hey, what's going on everyone? So it's Keith here at Coding Blind Tech, and in this video we're going to quickly look at how to download Python programming language. So it's been a while since I've done a video showing how to download Python, but I figured I would go ahead and have one that I could refer to that is recent. Alright, so we're using NVDA Screen Reader, so that you can find that at nvaccess.org. We'll be on a Windows 11 machine. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to navigate to the browser. So I use Brave.
Taskbar.
But you can use your browser of choice. And we're going to go to Google.
Google. Google select Google document.
Alright, so in the search bar in Google, we're going to type download.
Download. Download selected.
Type that right. So download Python.
Python.
And you're looking for python.org.
Clickable nav. Main landmark. Clickable download Python heading level 3. Visited link python.org.
Python.org. So that's the first one.
Visited link heading level. Download Python bar python.org.
Alright, so we want to go to the top of the page with Control Home.
Navigation landmark.
We want to press H.
Banner landmark Python trademark graphic visited link heading level 1. Link donate.
And then press H again.
Download the latest version for Windows heading level 1.
Alright, download the latest version for Windows is the heading you're looking for.
Link download Python 3.12.3.
Alright, so it says download Python
3.12.3 space 3.12.3.
3.12.
Out of link. Cap out link dot 2.3.
Alright, so Python 3.12.3 or 3.12.3. So we're going to press enter on this.
Save as dialog. File name.
So in Brave, it's going to ask me to save as. I'm just going to do Alt S. So to go to my downloads,
link
save
download
as a default name. Alright, so we're going to open our downloads. I'm going to press Windows R.
Run dialog, type the name of program, comma, blank.
Downloads. And press enter.
Text unavailable. Downloads. Items view list. A long time ago grouping expanded.
Alright, so in here.
Today grouping expanded. Python-3.12.3-AMD60.
Here we go. Python 3.12.3. I'm going to let it finish reading.
Today, Python-3.12.3-AMD64 left paren, 1 right paren, .exe42 of 42.
Alright, so I'm going to press enter on this.
Window dialog. Downloads. Unknown. Python 3.12.3 left paren, 64-bit right paren. Setup. Install now button C:\users /k black.
Okay, so install now.
Customize install now button C.
You may get a pop-up saying that this isn't coming from the Microsoft Store. You'll want to just install anyway and then install now.
Customize use admin privilege. Add python.exe. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe checkbox not checked alt plus L.
Okay, so before clicking install now.
Add python.exe to path checkbox not checked alt plus.
We're going to tab through these settings. So one of them is add python.exe to path. You want to make sure that's checked, so I'm going to press spacebar on that.
Checked. Cancel button alt plus. Select install now button C:\U. Select install now to install Python with default. Install now button C:\. Customize installation button. Choose use admin privileges.
We don't want to customize installation.
Use admin privileges when installing py.exe checkbox not checked alt plus L.
So use admin privileges when installing py.exe. We don't want to do that either. We just want to install for this user only.
Add python.exe to path checkbox checked alt plus B.
Again, there's our add python.exe to path. We again want to make sure that's checked.
Cancel button alt plus. Select install now to install Python with default settings.
Right, so now we can select install now.
Install now button C:\users cancel button alt plus C.
We'll let that install. Get our nice little beeper. NVDA trademark. Should only take a few seconds. Almost. I didn't want to skip through any of this. I wanted to be here with you through the whole process to make sure.
Unavailable. Close button alt plus C.
Nice. Okay. So the last thing we do is close. So we just alt C or press enter.
Downloads.
So alt C is what worked there for me. So now the way that we verify that Python is installed is you want to open up your command prompt. So I'm going to press my Windows key.
Start window.
Type
Search window.
CMD.
Command prompt. CMD. Command prompt. Command prompt terminal C:\users \k black grade.
So it's going to open up your command prompt. With the screen reader, sometimes you got to Alt F4
Downloads.
and then Alt
Command
F4.
prompt.
Not Alt F4. Oh my goodness. Alt Tab and then Alt Tab back onto it, just to make sure you get your output. So now we're going to type Python space dash version. Enter.
Python 3.12.3.
All right, there we
C:\U.
go. Python 3.12.3. All right, and you should get that same output. If you did not, please make sure to ask questions in the comments below. Also, feel free to email me at codingblindtech@gmail.com. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.
Downloads row 1. Download Python OBS 3.